Hey guys, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change country on Roblox. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch Roblox on your mobile device. Now once you're here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now just at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see the three dots that says more. Tap on that option. Now once you come here, simply scroll down below and select the option of settings that you see here. Here we go. Now tap on the option of account info that is on top. Now once you come on this page, simply scroll down below and then you'll see the option of account location and your country mentioned on the field. Simply tap on the field where your country is mentioned in order to change your location on Roblox. Now from the list given here, choose your country according to your preference. Now one thing you have to make sure is that you can change your location only once. Also, your location determines what is allowed on your account, including the currency used for gift cards and purchases. So make sure that you select the right location. Now after selecting the location, just tap on Set Location. Now you can see that your country on Roblox has successfully been changed. Now you cannot change your location again, as this step was only allowed once on your Roblox account. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.